Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're just going to be doing a little simple look with the Lorac Mini Pro palette in Sparkling. It's just going to give us a little light look, simple look, and I'm going to see how it turns out and just play with a little bit of makeup. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. I did my brows and I used the Joa brow pencil in Ebony, and I prime my eyes with the Sigma eyeshadow base primer and Ignite. I also used this today. It's the e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in Grapefruit Goals. It was pretty good, but for some reason I was having a hard time getting it pushed up to get the product out. I don't know if it's just because I just opened it. I don't know if it's been sitting out here and kind of getting cold and hot kind of deal. And it just was kind of needed a little bit of softening up or what, but had a little issue getting it out. But I really like the color and how it feels on the lips, which I use the minty one all the time. I keep that in my bedroom to use before I go to bed. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get into this palette. I'm going to take this middle shade right here, this middle matte, and I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. I'm using a Sigma E25. Alright, I'm going to take this pinky purpley shade and I'm going to put that in my outer corner, maybe a little bit in my crease. And I'm using that same Sigma E25 brush. Alright, so I'm going to take this deep chocolate shimmer and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye towards my outer corner. Alright, so the inner part of my lid, I'm going to take this middle shimmer right here and I'm going to put that on my inner lid. I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water and I'm going to clean up the edges. I'm going to throw on some Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer for my primer. Dot that on my face. Blend it out. And for foundation, I'm going to take the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Pearl by Too Faced. And I'm just going to dot this all over my face. Kelly. And I'm using my VK Beauty 101 to blend that out. And for my concealer, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. That shade is Eggshell. And I'm dotting it under my eyes. And I'm going to blend it out with my concealer brush. And I use my number 7 powder and light to set my concealer. Alright, now I'm taking the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. And I'm going to take this top shade right here, and I'm going to use that to bronze up my face. And now I'm going to take my Essence blush in Bespoke. I'm going to use that to put some color on my cheeks. Now I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Frise highlighter palette. It's from the Weekend Vibes collection. And I'm going to take this one called Boozy. I'm going to use that to highlight my face, starting with my cheekbones. I think I'm going to keep this simple and just do an inner corner highlight with this lightest shade right here. Leave my lower lash line without any shadow. And now I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm actually going to skip the lip liner and just put on some Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. And now I'm going to take the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm going to spray my face. All right, well, this is the final look. Just a quick, easy, simple look using the Lorac Mini Pro palette in Sparkling. It's a real pretty palette. I think if you want something light and simple, then this is a great palette for you. It's not going to be super dramatic. I mean, I guess with that brown shade, you could get a little bit dramatic, but it's going to be a little bit of a lighter look whenever you use this palette. I like it because it just kind of has everything set up for you. You know, just 6 shades, crease, outer corner, or crease, transition crease, and then outer corner, inner corner, and then your inner corner highlight type deal. So just kind of set up real easy and simple so you can get an easy and simple look. I think it turned out really well. I'm excited about it, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you're staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.